How to add captions to Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Tap on this plus option given at the bottom middle. At the right corner, you will find different options. Select the option of Reel. After you set it to Reel, now you are able to select the video that you want to upload along with the caption. I'm gonna upload this one video. From here, you can choose the length of the video. After you customize it, tap on the option Next. Now at the top right, you will find different icons. Tap on this one icon. With that, different options will appear. Tap on the option Captions. Transcribing audio, just wait for a few seconds, and after some time your Instagram reel will include caption. Likewise, from here you are able to select the font color and font style. After you are done, you can tap on the option Next, and with that your reel is ready along with the caption. Now you can tap on the option Share and upload it. This is how you can easily add a caption to Instagram reel. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.